We're looking at question 10 from the final exam. Materials A and B decay over time. The function for the amount of material A is A of t equals 1000 times 0.5 raised to the power of 2t. And for the amount of material B is B of t equals 1000 times 0.25 raised to the power of t, where t represents time in days. On which day will the amounts of materials be equal? Okay, so we can go to our calculator, and what we should do is we want to look at the table. So I'm going to go to the table function, and we're going to enter in the equations. So for the first equation, we have 1000 times the quantity of 0.5 raised to the power of 2, and we can't really put in the t, so we're going to put in 2x. I'm going to put it inside parentheses, so it's being raised to 2x, not raised to the power of 2, and then multiplied by x. That's for my first function. For the second, we start out again with 1000. This time it's 0.25, and it's raised to the power of x. Okay, so looking at my answer choices, the initial day, day 2, day 5, or every day. So let's set our table to start at 0, and let's have it end at 10. A step of 1 is fine, and we can look at our table. So from our table, what we can see is on the initial day, there's 1000. On day 1, both have 250. Day 2, both have 62.5. Day 3, both have 15.625. And if we scroll down, we can see that they always are going to have the same amount. So our answer here is going to be answer choice for every day. And if we wanted to look into this further, we could take this 0.5 that's being raised to the 2t, and if we think about our power to a power rule, we could separate this out, and we can actually square 0.5. And if we square 0.5, we end up with 0.25, and the t is still there. So we can see that the equations are in fact equivalent.